How to sleep in Terraria. So first is place a bed inside a fully valid house. So I'm going to place one right here inside, just like that. So just make sure that your house has solid walls, a working light source, and enough enclosed space to officially count as a real room. And once everything is set up, right click on the bed to lie down. So right here. So it should be on the left side where the pillow is so that you could actually sleep. Since if you right click on the right side, it will just basically set your spawn point. So as you can see on the bottom left, if I right click on it, it just sets your spawn point. But if you click on the left side, you'll actually get to sleep and lie down on the bed. So what this does is it speeds up time drastically until morning arrives. But one thing to watch for carefully is that sleeping does not make you invincible while you're in bed. So enemies can still spawn and they can hit you if the area isn't secure. So just make sure that you will sleep somewhere genuinely safe and of course well lit. So some do this underground or just basically behind a solid or sealed wall so you wake up fine instead of mid combat. And that is how you basically sleep in Terraria.